Good morning students. Today is 1st July 2021. Till you will not get all your books and workbooks in your hands, we will revise grammar most. Today we are going to learn types of tenses. There are 12 types of tenses. Just we will go through the types of tenses. There are 12 types of tenses. First, simple tense. In this category, there are simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Next category is continuous tense. In this category, there are present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Third category is perfect tense. In this, perfect, present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Next category of tenses is perfect continuous tense. In this category, there are also 3 types. First is present perfect continuous, second, past perfect continuous, and third is future perfect continuous. So, these are the 12 tenses that we have learned. Now, we will start with simple present tense today. Simple present tense. Pay attention all of you. Simple present tense. Here, the formula for simple present tense is, pay attention children, simple present tense. What is the name of tense? Simple present tense. For simple present tense means for making sentences in simple present tense, the formula is subject plus V1 plus object. Again, subject plus V1 plus object. Now, what is V1 here? V1 means the first form of verb. What is V1? V1 is the present form of the verb. Verb means action words, children. Subject means doer, means who are doing the action in that sentence. Here, we will take a simple example of I. Starting with I. I means I. So, I is a subject. Eat. I have taken here which verb? Eat. So, V1. V1 means first form, means present form of the verb is eat. Mango. Mango is what? Object. Mango is what? Object. Object means what, children? The action is done on which thing is the object in that sentence. So, eating thing is done on object, that is mango. So, I eat mango is an example of simple present tense. Now, if I want to convert it to simple past tense, if I want to convert the same sentence in simple past tense, the formula for that is subject plus V2 plus object. Subject plus V2 plus object. Now here V2. What do you mean by V2? V2 means the past form of the verb. V2 means the past form of the verb. Eat. Here which verb we have taken? Eat. Present tense, eat. The past tense of eat is ate. The past tense of it is ate. So, subject will remain same. I ate mango. Object also will remain same. So, I ate mango is an example of simple past tense. I ate mango is an example of simple past tense. Now, if we want to convert it into simple future tense, if we want to convert it into simple future tense, then the formula is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Again, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Now, take an example of it. We will not change the subject and we will not change the object. Now see how will be the sentence in simple future tense. I will eat mango. I will eat mango. Here see what happened, children. V1 means eat remains eat only, as it has been done in simple present tense. So eat is a first form of the verb, so it will not change in simple future tense. So again we will revise all the sentences. Simple present tense, the formula is subject plus V1 plus object. Example is I eat mango. Simple past tense, the formula is subject plus V2 plus object. Example is I ate mango. Simple future tense, the formula is subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Example is I will eat mango. Understood, students? Now it is enough for today. What is your work today? You all have to write the charts given on your screen in your notebooks. And look, the more verbs are given on the same chart. See, the more verbs are given. For example, see, keep, catch, hold and throw. What you have to do? Use them and write new 15 sentences in your notebook. And this is your today's homework, isn't it? Have you seen the new verbs? Where are they? They have written in each category. See, keep, catch, hold and throw. In the past tense, see what I have done. I have given you the past forms of the same verb. See, saw, kept, caught, held and threw. These are the past tenses of the same verbs given in present category. So children, start writing your homework now. We are going to learn all the types of tenses precisely this year. Do you like the class? Huh? Then please inform me. Bye. Thank you. Start your work. Okay. Bye.